In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to expand and collapse hierarchy in Smartsheet. If you're organizing a project in Smartsheet, chances are you've set up a hierarchy to keep things tidy. Parent rows for the big buckets of work, and child rows nested underneath for the individual tasks. This structure makes it easy to zoom in on details when you need them and hide them when you don't. The good news is that expanding and collapsing this hierarchy is incredibly simple and happens with a single control on the parent row. Look at your project sheet and locate a higher tier or parent row, the one that represents a phase, deliverable, or main category. On that parent row, just to the left of the task name in the primary column, you'll see a small arrow icon. Think of this arrow as your toggle. When you click it once, it expands the parent row and reveals all of its child rows underneath. Click the same arrow again, and it collapses the group back down, hiding those child rows from view while keeping the parent row visible. You'll notice a visual cue as you use it. When a section is expanded, the arrow typically points downward, and you'll see the child rows clearly indented beneath the parent. When it's collapsed, the arrow points to the side, and the indented rows are tucked away. Nothing in your data changes during this, only what's shown on your screen, so you can safely expand to review details and collapse to keep your sheet clean. This is especially helpful when you're scanning a long project plan, running a meeting, or focusing on just one area of work. Collapse everything you don't need at the moment to reduce visual clutter, then expand the section you're discussing to review timelines, owners, or notes. If your hierarchy goes multiple levels deep, you may see arrows on child rows as well. That simply indicates there are more layers of detail beneath that item, and the same single click will reveal or hide them. If you don't see an arrow next to a row, that row isn't a parent, which means there's nothing nested under it. In that case, there's nothing to expand or collapse, and that's perfectly normal. That's all there is to it. Find the arrow on the parent row, click to expand, and click again to collapse. Use this quick toggle to keep your sheet readable, spotlight what matters, and move through your project with confidence.